Hello everyone, today we're going to be making these yarn monsters, but don't worry, they're not scary. They're actually pretty cute. So what we're going to do first is gather our supplies. First you'll need a pipe cleaner cut in two. And then you'll need some wiggle eyes, googly eyes, you'll also need a glue gun and the glue for said glue gun. A 5-ounce paper or plastic cup, felt decorations for your monster's antenna. I've cut mine into circles and drawn polka dots on them. You have a square in your kit that you can cut shapes out of. Scissors. A large ball of yarn for your monster's body. A small ball of yarn for the monster's hair. And a rectangle of 4 inches by 2.5 inches cardboard for wrapping your yarn. First, you'll take your ball of yarn and cut off a long piece. You'll need that for tying your pom-pom later. Take your cardboard piece and ball of large yarn and wrap the yarn long ways around the piece of cardboard. Now take that piece of yarn you set aside earlier and gently bend the cardboard piece so that you can take that piece of yarn and tie it around the rest of your yarn. Go ahead and tie a double knot to make sure that it doesn't come untied. And then gently slide the yarn free of the cardboard piece, like so. Cut the yarn from the exact opposite side of your knot. Make sure you have sharp scissors to cut through all the yarn. I had some trouble. Go ahead and set that aside. After you floof it up a little bit, you will be gluing this large ball on top of that plastic cup, but we're gonna wait for our glue gun to heat up. So in the meantime, make your small pom-pom. So you'll take a small ball of yarn, take a piece just like that, set it aside, and you're gonna do the same steps as earlier, but this time you're gonna wrap it short ways around your cardboard piece. So put the yarn through here like this. Tie a double knot. I'm just going to go ahead and cut it on the cardboard piece this time. There we go. Alright, so now is when our glue gun comes in, and our large pom-pom and our small 5-ounce cup. Go ahead and put some Oh, yep, gotta make sure the glue gun's loaded first. Go ahead and put some glue on the bottom of that cup there. Make sure there's enough on there so your Pom Pom will stick. Take your large Pom Pom and go ahead and stick it just like this. Okay, and once it's secure, fluff it out how you want and make sure that the cup can't be seen from any side of the monster. You can also trim any excess yarn off if it's a little long. I like my yarn monster to be a little shaggy though. Alright guys, and here is the base. Looking good so far. Now take your smaller Pom Pom, floof it out a little bit because now we're getting ready to glue it on top. Put some glue on top of the large Pom Pom and then take your small Pom Pom and carefully place it on the glue. And just go ahead and fluff it out how you would like it. Now, time for your antenna. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use a pencil and I'm wrapping the pipe cleaner around it for just a fun twisty little shape. There's one. Now take your glue gun, put some glue carefully along the edge of that pipe cleaner there, and stick it into the yarn. One down, one more to go. Go ahead and do the same thing that I just did with the other side. Take your felt pieces that you cut out, like I said, minor circles. I'm just going to put them on the end just like that. So put a little bit of glue on your felt piece and then carefully attach it to your pipe cleaner antenna. And there you go. Last step, Google eyes. I'm going to put them in the front just like that. There you go. You are done. You have your very own little yarn monster. They look great, guys.